it do? It is Simon the Speaker here, and I am a cleaning guide through cleaning business success. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button. Yes, please hit the subscribe button. At the end of this video, if you felt like I gave you some value, or I put in effort to give you some value, please hit the like button. In the details of this video, if you're looking to get a free consultation on how to start a remote cleaning business, feel free to schedule a call with me. You can definitely book a call in the comment section. Well, actually, before you go to the comment section, if you go to the details section as well, you will see the link to our school community. Feel free to join our school community where we do a monthly call. Each call as well, we drop information within the chat as well, or within a group, I guess is the better way to say it as well. If you look at the comment section, if you want to add comments, ask questions, maybe put a word of advice or a critique, I am open to all of it. Be sure to comment in the video. Once again, if you're new to this channel, go through all the videos. We have a lot of videos. We have 40 plus videos talking about how to start a remote cleaning business. And even if you don't want to do a remote, we have 40 plus videos on how to start a remote cleaning business that can be converted into starting a cleaning business on ground. Yes, starting a cleaning business on ground. My apologies, y'all. Had to get something going. So perfect. Today I want to talk about something that is not going to take too much of your time. So if you're looking for some long videos, I do have some long videos as well. But if you're looking for something a little bit more straightforward, well, all my videos are straightforward, but this one is going to be a bit quicker because of the topic that we're talking about. I want to talk to you guys today about the best strategies to pick a name, right? To pick a name for your cleaning business, whether this is going to be remote, whether this is going to be on ground. Technically, regardless of the business you're starting, right? This is really good when it comes to service-based businesses. I'm going to talk about the best strategies to pick a business name. So for the sake of time, we are going to dive straight in. Boom, as you can see here, I have my handy dandy whiteboard. I've been using this whiteboard a lot. If you go to my old videos, you will see my old videos. I was using my iPad as a mirror. Really cool. Gave some weird sounds when it came to feedback. So now we have this, and we are going to get straight into this video. So there are three things that I want to identify, especially for cleaning companies, remote cleaning businesses, cleaning companies on ground, commercial cleaning companies. However, there are three things that I want to identify when picking a name. Three things that I want to identify when picking a name. So when you are picking your name, right, and before I go into this, a name is very important. Now, when I first started my cleaning company, I did not use this strategy. It's not till later that I learned this strategy, right? And the reason picking a name is very important is because when it comes to people searching up your business or searching, for example, a cleaning company in a certain area, right? There are certain names that are going to rank better than other names when it comes to SEO. If you're not familiar with what SEO is, that is search engine optimization. So when someone types something on Google, the actual ranking, right? Who pops up first, who pops up second, who pops up third. A lot of times that is based off different things such as keywords. If you're not familiar with these terms, be sure to check Google or ChatGPT as well on what these terms are and how they play into the visibility of your business when it comes to being on Google. But for the sake of the business, I don't want to dive into what SEO and what keywords are. I want to dive into strategies that will help you rank better in terms of the name of your business. Now, the first thing I want to bring up that is an important strategy when you are picking a name. Actually, I don't want to do that big of a font. When you are picking a name, the first thing that you're going to want to talk about is location. Yes, location. How does this work? I don't know why it got bold. I want to unbold this. Location. So now when it comes to location, when you're picking a business name, right? So the good thing about location is it helps when people are searching for your company, right? So let's say that you own a cleaning company in Texas, right? You can have a name that's like Big John's Family Cleaning Company, or you can have a name that says Houston's whatever cleaning company, right? And the thing about it is that when someone is searching for a name, right, or so when someone is searching, and actually I want to put this, right, because you can do it statewide, you can do it countywide. Where I'm at, we have different counties, and you can do it citywide as well, right? Citywide, or we'll say local. And so when you're picking these names, right, you want to be cognitive of these type of things, right? Because let's say you have Big John's cleaning company versus Houston's whatever cleaning company, when someone types in cleaners in Houston, cleaners near Houston, cleaning, house cleaning Houston, who is more likely to pop up? Someone that has the name Big John or someone that has the name Houston within their cleaning company name, right? So it's more than likely going to be someone that has the name Houston within their company name. And that is what I mean by ranking, right? When Google is looking for we'll say answers, right? Answers that are matching people's search, or search results that matching people's searches. What Google is looking to do is find the best result for that search, right? And so when someone types in house cleaning Houston, if your name has cleaning in Houston in it versus someone that may have John or Rockefeller or something, who's technically going to rank more or rank higher? Sorry, guys. Who is technically going to rank higher, right? The person that has Houston in their name or cleaning in their name is more than likely to rank higher. So one of the first strategies when you're coming up with a name is make sure that you have the location in the name. Make sure that you have the location in the name. It's going to help tremendously when it comes to actually ranking for a Google search, especially if you're putting money into SEO, search engine optimization. If you're paying, let's say, an SEO company that works with being able to have your business or your search or you being a search result rank higher than other people, this is going to help them out a lot. Location is everything. The next thing we're going to want to focus on is adjectives, and we'll talk about why this is important. Just follow along with me here. You're more than willing. I urge you guys to rather take pictures, write down the same notes, whatever you can do. Adjectives. Adjectives are going to be very important, right? So this can be like big. This can be like amazing. This can be like professional. So this plays a part when a client is seeing your company, right? So a lot of times it's more so of a psychological game, right? So now we have the location, right? So now when we're looking for the cleaning name, right? You can have Houston Cleaning Team, but imagine a company that says Houston Amazing Cleaning or Houston Professional Cleaning, right? So those adjectives usually set you apart from other cleaning teams that may just have a generic name. And sometimes as a client, when you're looking for different teams, you want to see an adjective that describes the business that you're going to be working for, right? It kind of sets a framework in the client's mind and an expectation that you are this type of cleaning team. Now, that is a double-edged sword, right? And it can be a good thing or a bad thing. Good wise, if you're very professional and your name is Houston's Professional Cleaning Team, that's good, right? Because all you have to simply do is live up to the name. If you live up to the name, it will help solidify you as a cleaning team or as a client's official cleaning team, and they will probably refer you to the clients. Now, if you don't do good or you under-deliver on your promises to be professional, you under-deliver on your satisfaction guaranteed, or you under-deliver on the quality of cleaning, now I guess this is the bad part of this double-edged sword, right? Because now you have the client that is there that is referencing you as professional because it's based in your name or it's located in your name, and boom, that light goes off for, wait, they said they were professional. In the cleaning name, they said they were amazing. They have it all over the website, but the cleaning wasn't good. The customer service wasn't good. The cleaners were not on time. They weren't punctual. They weren't professional. So because it's like when you do bad, it pretty much puts a light on the fact that, that you've done bad, or the bad qualities within the service that was offered, because in your name you have amazing. In your name you have professional, right? So the thing about it is you want to have these adjectives in your name. You don't want to run away from this, right? You don't want to be in a position where you say, okay, I don't want to put professional in my name because I'm scared that I may not do well, right? That's not what we want to do. We want to run towards this, right? Every cleaning service we want to make sure it's professional. Every cleaning service we want to make sure is amazing. And by having it in our name, we want to let clients know this is the type of company we are, this is the type of services that we offer, and this is the type of company that you will be working with. And we also want to deliver on that, right? Want to deliver on that promise. So the next step that I would say when you're picking a strategy is adjective, right? Pick a good adjective that truly represents the type of company you're trying to build. A lot of times when you're picking a name, obviously you haven't built a book of clientele, so you need to have forward thinking. You need to have future thinking. What type of cleaning company do you want to have? What type of what type of company do you want to stand for? What values do you want to stand for? What do you want your cleaning company to represent in people's mind, right? If you want your cleaning company to give a peace of mind, right, you can put Houston's peaceful cleaning, or Houston's whatever adjective that will allow the client to know, okay, this is what I'm getting from the business. Now, if you let's say you want to offer a sense of peace, and you may not know how to put that into your business name, what you could do is go to ChatGPT and have ChatGPT word that, or word it correctly, so that it can create that name for you, right? So there's no excuse into not being able to come up with a name or an adjective that gives off the sense of what you want your business to stand for, the type of services you want to offer, and what you want to be known for. Now, the last thing, when we are picking a business name, when we are picking a business name, this is very important. For some people, it may be very simple. For others, I want to put it in just in case they may not know. We want to talk about the services that we will be offering, right? So we have the adjective Houston's, right? So we'll talk about the city, right? Houston's. We have we have the location, Houston. We have the adjectives professional. Professional what, right? Now we need to talk about the second part. Remember, I was saying within the SEO, or the keywords that you're using that will help you rank better. If someone's typing Houston cleaning or Houston house cleaning, the other thing that you're going to need, right? We have location, but the other word that you're going to need is what are the services that you're offering. So it might be house cleaning, right? We're going to go with a couple, right? It might be house cleaning. It might be carpet cleaning. It might be carpet cleaning. It might be roof cleaning. I'm gonna add these because all of these are different type of cleaners, and all of these can have subcontractors that you can work with. So we also want to focus on the service. What is the service that we are? What is the service that we are offering as well? I'm gonna put these up here. What are the services that we are offering as well? So when you're coming up with this name, you want to make sure that you have the service in your name, right? You can put cleaning, you can put house cleaning. Depending on the cleaning that you do, it is better that you niche and be very specified on what you do, right? Because I can put Houston's professional cleaners, but there are carpet cleaners, there are house cleaners, there are roof cleaning, there is upholstery cleaning, there is a plethora of cleaning, sidewalk cleaning, right? So we want to be very precise on the actual services that we're offering, so that when people search up the cleaning that they're looking for, we're not popping up for the wrong cleanings, especially when you're running paid advertisement. You do not want to be in a position where you're paying for every time people contact you or click your website, but they're not your ideal customer, and you're not their ideal solution to the problem that they're having. So you want to make sure that you are very precise and you have that niche right there, that service, right? So now when we put it all together, let's say someone puts Houston cleaner, Houston house cleaner. We have the location, Houston. We have the adjective, professional. We have the service, house cleaning. We have Houston's professional house cleaner, right? And that right there would be the name of the cleaning company. Very straight, very direct. They know where we're located. They know the quality of the work we're doing. They know the type of work we're doing, right? We're doing house cleaning. Or you might say New York's amazing roof cleaning, right? They know the location. Even if it's a state, they know the location. They know the type of work we do. And they know the type of services that we're offering. So with that being said, these are some of the strategies that you can use to pick a name. You want to be very intentional with the name that you picked. When I first came up with the name, it was not intentional, right? I just put something in and I said, this is the name I'm gonna get. Granted, I was still able to build in a book of clientele, right? It doesn't stop you, but it didn't ultimately help me rank better, right? And even when customers are saying your name, what will happen is customers say, is it this cleaning company? Is it this or is it that? If you give this name that's hard to remember, then customers are not going to be able to simply remember you, right? You won't be a memorable customer, memorable business. Granted, if you offer good services, that will definitely help. But it'll be easier to remember Houston's amazing house cleaning versus Johnny D's carpet cleaning, right? And so what you want to do is you want to make it very convenient and easy for the client to remember you, so the client can refer you and the client can buy from you again. So these are my strategies here for these are my strategies here for picking an actual name for your business. You want to do a location, you want to do the adjective, and you want to do the service. Now, with that being said, if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. If you found value from this video, or you felt the effort I give, or effort I gave, or I attempted to give to try to give you some value, click the like button. And once again, if you are new to this YouTube channel where I'm your cleaning guide to cleaning business success, subscribe to this channel. Yes, subscribe to the channel. Also hit the bell notification. We drop videos every Tuesday and Thursday at 6 p.m. Yes, every Tuesday and Thursdays at 6 p.m. Once again, if you're in the details of this video, you can book a consultation with me. That is a one-on-one consultation where we can talk about starting a remote cleaning business. Maybe you need some help. Maybe you have the money and you just don't have the direction, or you have the time but you don't have the money. You can book a consultation with me and I will help you get started. As well, in the details of this video, actually below here is my school community. If you're looking to join a community of other people that are looking to start a remote cleaning business, already have a remote cleaning business, or looking to advance themselves in the remote cleaning business industry, feel free to join that community as well. If you have any comments, questions, words of advice, critiques, I would love for you to comment here. Leave a comment below. I try to get back to all my comments whenever I can. With that being said, I will see you on the next video and have a good one.